Hello kid, today's topic is classification of fungi. Fungi classified into four phylum: Phycomycetes, Excomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Let's talk about habitat. Phycomycetes mostly found in aquatic habitat, moist and damp places like Rhazopus on bread mold. They are obligate parasite, means they can only live as parasite, not free. Ascomycetes are mostly saprophytic, decomposer, parasitic, or coprophilous. Coprophilous means grow on dung. Basidiomycetes basically grow in soil, on logs, trees, stump like mushroom, parasites in plant body. Deuteromycetes are imperfect fungi. They are saprophytic, parasitic, and decomposers. Largely, they are decomposer and help in mineral cycling. Mycelium. In Phycomycetes, mycelium is aseptate and cenocytic, means no septa between hyphae. So there is no septa present. The protoplasm can move here and there easily. And cenocytic means multinucleated. Others, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes have septate and branched mycelium. Asexual reproduction. Fungi reproduce through spores. So we talk about asexual spores. Phycomycetes have juice spores, which is motile. They have flagella, and aplanospores, non-motile. Ascomycetes asexual spore is conidia, which is formed on conidiophore. Basidiomycetes, asexual reproduction not found, but fragmentation is present. So they reproduce through fragmentation. Deuteromycetes, asexual spores is also conidia form on conidiophore. Sexual spores. In Phycomycetes, zygospores is formed by fusion of two gametes. Ascospores in Ascomycetes, they form in sac-like structure ascus. That's why known as ascospores. Well, usually there's 8 ascospores are present in each ascus. Basidiomycetes, sex organ absent, but plasmogamy done by fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells of different mycelia. So when two somatic cells of different mycelia join together, fuse together, they give rise to basidium. Okay, and above basidium, their basidiospores are formed. Usually there is 4. Deuteromycetes sexual stages are not found. So basically, deuteromycetes are those fungi group where any fungi their sexual stages are not found. Scientists keep them in deuteromycetes, and when their sexual stages are discovered, they move to either basidiomycetes or ascomycetes. Okay, let's go to examples. Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes known as lower fungi because they are the most simplest and primitive fungi. Saprologina, Rhazopus, bread mold, mucor, albugo, pythium. Ascomycetes are known as sac fungi because their spores are formed inside sac-like structure, ascus. Yeast is the only unicellular fungi and it is used in alcohol and bakery industry. Aspergillus penicillium is an antibiotic. Neurospora have great importance because it is used in biotechnology and genetic work. Basidiomycetes known as club fungi because they form a club-like structure, basidium. Agaricus is a mushroom, polyporous, pecunia, strologo, lycoperadon. These are the examples. Deuteromycetes is an imperfect fungi. Their sexual stages are not found. Cercospora, Coletotrichum, Trichoderma, Pyricularia, and Fusarium. Mostly they are the decomposers. They help in decomposing litter and mineral cycling. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.